Replacing a door might seem like a small home improvement project, but in Farmington Hills, it carries a ripple effect that goes beyond curb appeal. Understanding its environmental impact can help homeowners make choices that benefit both their homes and the planet. Energy efficiency and carbon reduction. One of the most significant environmental benefits of door replacement is improved energy efficiency. Older doors often have gaps, poor insulation, or outdated materials that allow heat to escape in winter and cool air to leak in summer. This forces heating and cooling systems to work harder, increasing household energy use and carbon emissions. By replacing an old door with a modern, insulated option, especially those with ENERGY STAR ratings, Farmington Hills residents can reduce their energy consumption. This not only lowers utility bills but also contributes to a smaller carbon footprint for the community. Sustainable material choices. Door manufacturing has evolved, offering more environmentally friendly materials than ever before. Replacing a door provides the opportunity to choose sustainable options such as FSC-certified wood from responsibly managed forests, recycled steel or aluminum that reduces raw material extraction, fiberglass with long lifespans and lower maintenance needs. Selecting materials with recycled content or renewable sources ensures that the environmental cost of your door is minimized over its life cycle. Responsible disposal of old doors. The environmental impact doesn't end when the old door comes off its hinges. In Farmington Hills, responsible disposal practices, like recycling metal components or donating reusable doors to local building material reuse centers, can prevent waste from ending up in landfills. By working with contractors or recyclers who prioritize eco-friendly disposal, homeowners can ensure that their old door is repurposed or recycled, reducing environmental strain. Local climate consideration. Farmington Hills experiences cold winters and warm summers, meaning that a door's insulation performance is crucial for maintaining indoor comfort without excessive energy use. High-performance replacement doors with weather stripping and thermal breaks can dramatically cut heat transfer, reducing the energy needed to keep your home comfortable year-round. By investing in climate-appropriate doors, residents indirectly support reduced greenhouse gas emissions from power generation. Long-term environmental gain. While manufacturing and transporting a new door have their own carbon costs, these are often offset within a few years through energy savings. Over the life of the door, often 20 years or more, the environmental benefit compounds. Fewer replacements mean less material production, reduced transportation emissions, and less waste. Boosting community sustainability goals. Farmington Hills has a growing emphasis on sustainable living, and home improvement choices play a role in community-wide environmental efforts. When residents choose energy-efficient, sustainably sourced doors, they contribute to broader goals like lowering the city's carbon output and reducing waste streams. This collective effort makes a visible difference in local environmental health, from cleaner air to less strain on waste management systems. Final thoughts for Farmington Hills homeowners. Door replacement may feel like a purely functional or aesthetic upgrade, but its environmental impact is significant. By focusing on energy-efficient design, sustainable materials, eco-conscious disposal practices. Homeowners in Farmington Hills can enjoy a more comfortable home while contributing to a greener future. In the long run, thoughtful door replacement doesn't just improve your property, it's a small but meaningful step toward environmental stewardship in your community.